gentlemen, today we have the elephant of Bloom, President and CEO of Bloom Novotest GmbH. We have got Mr. Syam Bini, Managing Director of Bloom Novotest India, and we are at Imtex 2025 at Bloom Novotest. So to start our discussion, sir, I wanted to understand what all you are showcasing at Imtex and about the show and the products which you are showcasing for the visitors.
Well, first of all, we are happy to be here at Imtex 2025. It is we have been to all the Imtex exhibitions since 2007, since it started here in Bangalore, and I'm glad to see how the exhibition developed, but also glad to see how our business here in India has developed under the leadership of Shyam. And this time we want to give the message to the market that we are going to grow together with the Indian market. Nowadays we're having 33 colleagues here in India working for the Bloom Novotest group all over India. We're going to increase this number this year at least to 45 people is our plan. And supporting this with our products, we're having tailor-made also for India market and products which are under development for the future use in India market. Because we believe each market needs the right product for its demands, and India is a very prospering and quick growing market, and also has automation requirements in the machine tool field which we have to fulfill. That means that we have to, in some aerospace applications, we have to come up with state-of-the-art highest level of technology to support the customers. In other applications, we have to make sure that the customer is having economic and automated solutions at helping the customer to get more business by having attractive prices for their products. And for all of these customers, high-level, economic, entry-level customers, we are supporting with the products here in India.
And India and Germany has been a great partner. And the Prime Minister Mr. Modi has launched Make in India Atmanirbhar Bharat, and India is using German technology, German products. So as a company, how does Bloom see the Indian market right now, and any investment or anything you want to cater the demand? Because people say India is growing, India will grow for another 10, 20 years.
Well, India is for us a sales market. Since almost 20 years now we're active in India, so we're not a newcomer to this market. We're well established here in India because we believe strongly in the development of India. But today, India is also for us a sourcing market. Here at the exhibition with us, we have two colleagues from Germany, from our purchasing department, the manager of the department, and an Indian national working in Germany for our department. So we're doing already quite some sourcing of products for the whole world to use in India. We're going to further increase this, but we also want to add value to our products locally by sourcing more in India. Therefore, Shyam is developing what we call, together with us, a Bloom Novotest Competence Center. We're going to move into new premises this year in Bangalore, much larger premises. We're going to invest into land and want to build something for us in the upcoming years. And also start repairing. We have started software development here in the market. As I said, we're doing the sourcing here in the market. We installed product management in the market already. And this way, having in our tech center, being a full-blown operation of Bloom Novotest. The same kind of operation we only are having in Germany, in China, and in North America, in India. 4 of these, what we call Bloom Novotest Competence Centers.
Samson, today is day one, and we are at your booth. What can a customer, should come with prepared? What sort of products you are displaying, and what new they can, it's a beautiful booth. I can see a lot of products, a lot of technology you have displayed. So what they can expect coming at your booth, and what sort of industries you are focusing, that which sort of industry users should come to your booth?
As Alex mentioned, it is something like we are looking at being with every segment of market. Okay, we are talking about the aerospace industry, which is coming in a big way, which needs a highest level of technology. So here we are, what do you say, showcasing and then trying to convey the application that we can cater to with our LC50 laser tool setting system coupled with LC Vision is a software which enhances the utilization of the tool setting system, which gives a good visualization of the tool, what is the behavior of the tool after the machining is done. So this is one of the product that we are showcasing. Added to this, we have the roughness measurement shown on the machine, means we can measure the roughness, which is typically a lab activity which is now integrated into the machine. Means we are integrating the roughness measurement as a process within the machine. So this is also what we are showcasing here. The bore gauge application. Some of the customers we are already in discussion saying that typically the one which is out of the machine or the lab process, now we are integrating the bore measurement. It's called the BG60, the product name. We are integrating the measurement of high accuracy components within the machine. So this is the other technology we are showcasing, and very important, like Alex mentioned, we are looking at bringing a kind of a technology that industry needs. So we are showing a software called Form Control X, which is the software which is used for measuring the components after the machining is done within the same setup without destroying the setup. This is coupled with our time-tested systems like the contact tool setting system, our probe system for the offsetting of the component. So if you look at, we are giving the industry the complete range of production methodology required for the manufacturing. The whole idea is that to produce the component which is right coming out of the machine. So control the process within the machine. So it optimizes the qualitative and the quantitative requirements of the industry, which is a need of the hour for us in India. So this is what we are doing.
And Mr. Bloom gave a hint about your new technology center. Not in detail, because I know there are a lot of things you must be planning. So what can we, for a starter, I can say, what all we can expect from those that new technology center which you are planning and which would be, your upcoming thing?
As Alex mentioned it, it's a competence center. Okay, it is not just a technology center. A technology center is one part of the whole competence center, meaning which we are looking at a larger space as a working space. Number one, then we are going to have the machine for the technology as a technology center. We're going to have the machine. Then we are already into the product management. Then we are involved in the software development here, the repair center, which is well requested from a long time from the industry. We're going to be setting up the repair center in India, and the development of the software, which really needs kind of integration to our application. Some of the things which is required for our immediate application, that is looked at, and to test it, this is the technology center which is also going to be used. And we will be developing the software not just for our application here, this is for the global platform is what we're going to be looking at. So all in all, it's going to be a good development that's going to be coming up in the near future. We'll update it as and when we have a complete
Appreciation in advance. I'm looking forward to attend the launch also. Lastly, one message from both of you to the visitors which are coming. Each one of you a message to the visitors or your clients who must be watching, who are planning to visit us. One message from each of you.
Yeah, I'm inviting all of the visitors here in India to take the opportunity what the future is bringing to the Indian market for the development. I think with the number of people here, with the market